What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have two different products from the same brand, Morento. Actually, I have been using a Morento Air Purifier HY4866 for a few days now, and after I have started using this one, I have felt like, well, this one offers a very good value for money, and performance wise this one belongs to the flagship level. So I have decided to buy another product from the same brand, and this time I have bought a humidifier from Morento. I have decided to go for this humidifier because this one comes with a few unique and interesting features. The first thing is this Morento humidifier comes with a remote control, so I can control this one using a remote. So I don't have to go near to this humidifier to change the settings or to increase or decrease the humidity level. Well, let's start from this Morento Air Purifier because I've been using this one for almost a week now and I'm super satisfied. This one costs less than $150 and at this price point, this one offers the best value for money. How and why? Let's go through this video and let's check those. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, here you can see Morento Air Purifier HY4866 comes with double side air intake. Compared with the single air intake design, it has double purification effect in the same time. Its air purifier CADR is up to 300 meter cube per hour. CADR stands for clear air delivery rate. It can purify a room as large as 36 meters square within 11 minutes. This one has efficient 3-stage filtration. This one is equipped with H13 medical grade HEPA, high efficiency particulate air filter, and on top of that, this one comes with activated carbon filter and PM 2.5 sensor. So this one is able to effectively remove 99.97% of air particles as small as 0.3 microns in the air, such as dust, smoke, pollen, hair, odor, everything. This one can keep the room purified 24 hours a day. Actually, this one can show the filter life. There is a button. Just touch the button and it will show the filter life, what percentage of the filter life is left. But actually the brand Morento recommends that we should change the filters twice a year. That's like change the filters every 6 months. Well, I have already shown that this one comes with a PM 2.5 sensor at the back, and the sensor actually feeds the data to the system and the system can show real-time PM info on the screen. You know what? I've been using the Morento Air Purifier in this studio and I have never felt like this one makes any sound because I always choose the auto mode, and in auto mode this one can actually detect by itself when it requires to raise the fan level and when it requires to decrease the fan speed. So usually I don't listen to any fan noise, so this one is super quiet. Especially there is a sleep mode, and in sleep mode the display will go off and the fan will actually run in very low speed, so the sound level in sleep mode is less than 24 decibel. That's a great thing, because if you're gonna use this one beside your bed, then you won't even notice any sound. There are 3 different timer modes, so you can select a timer based on your requirement. I usually select 8 hours because whenever I leave this studio, I just turn it on and select 8 hours timer. So this one actually purifies the room whenever I'm not here. Well, even if I use this one in auto fan mode, this one actually comes with 4 different fan modes. There are 4 levels like level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. In level 1, it's already very good, and if you really want to use level 4, then it feels like an overkill. I have tried to check the speed of the fan and I've tried to hold a tissue paper on this air purifier, but it was really a difficult task and the tissue paper was flying everywhere. This one actually blows real heavy wind when you select the 4th fan speed level. Well, altogether, I think this one is a very good choice. I know on Amazon you may be able to find something which costs less than this Morento Air Purifier, but you need to check a few things. Number 1, this one comes with dual side air intake. This one intakes air from both the sides, so this one actually clears more air and more space at the same time. These HEPA filters comes with 3-stage filtration, so it's very difficult for any type of particles to go through these, and these HEPA filters not only clears odor or dust, these actually also helps us to keep away from any type of known common virus. As I've been using some other air purifiers which costs more than $250 and also claims that yeah, our product can actually remove 99.97% of air particles, but the truth is most of the brand which claims 99.97%, those are numbers. So I have never believed in those numbers, but after using this Morento air purifier, yeah, I have started to believe this brand because this one actually performs. Finally, there are two other things I care about. Number one, build quality. This one comes with very good premium flagship class build quality. All the cutouts, all the materials, everything is super premium, and more importantly, the blower sitting inside is a very powerful DC motor. So yeah, I personally believe that this one is gonna provide the best service for a long period of time, and this one is also covered with a very good warranty. Well, other than build quality, there is another thing I really care about is outlook and appearance. I don't want something ugly to sit in my studio. This Morento Air Purifier HY4866 is not only a very good performer, this one also looks so nice, so cute. I really like the display panel. This one offers a lot of information, and the total design language. This two-tone design with all the buttons integrated on top and the display panel in front. Considering all of these, yeah, I think I would give this one 9 out of 10 for design, outlook and appearance. What about you? Well, if you know me, then you know me that if I like something from one brand, then I would definitely buy something else from that same brand. The same thing happened as I have been very satisfied with that air purifier from Morento. I have bought a humidifier from Morento. Actually, most of my family members lives in Nevada, and if you are from America, then you know that what type of humidity we have in Nevada. It's crazy. It's the lowest among all the 50 states of United States of America. So yeah, we need humidifiers, and that's why we have to buy a lot of different humidifiers to find the best one. And after I have used this one for only 24 hours, I am like super crazy, super surprised, because this one comes with quite a few interesting features. After opening the box, the first thing you will notice that this one comes with a remote control. Inside the box, you will also get a manual and the humidifier itself. The humidifier actually is a two-piece set. The top part is a 4.5-liter detachable water tank, and the detachable water tank actually comes with a 360-degree rotatable mist nozzle design. This brand Morento also claims that this one comes with aromatherapy. Oh yeah, this one costs less than $60. And actually, as we can open the hood of the detachable water tank, we can refill the water tank from the top. So it's very convenient. The effective range of this humidifier is 30 meters square, but my room is bigger than that. I mean, this studio is more than 39 meters square, and this one has performed like a monster. This one also comes with 3 different timer settings, like 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. And actually, I don't use the timer. I actually put this in constant humidity mood. Yeah, this one comes with a constant humidity mood. The humidistat will detect the surrounding humidity in real time and will automatically turn on or off to maintain the desired humidity in range of 40 to 80%. I usually keep it in 50% constant humidity mood, and yeah, there are 3 different mist levels. With these 3 adjustable mist levels, we can manually adjust the mist output by choosing a low, medium or high settings. You know that only a remote control, yeah, that cannot make me super happy. Actually, this one performs very good, and most importantly, this one comes with an active filter. Yeah, the water which goes through and comes out as a mist, yeah, this one goes through filtration and we get a very healthy humidity around us. Well, last but not the least, this humidifier comes with a night light. So if you really want to put this one beside your bed on a bedside table, then yeah, you can use the night lamp. I think this one looks very nice. Personally, I don't use this feature, but to have a lot of features is really a great thing. Well, there are 2 things I need to mention about this Morento humidifier, and the first of those 2 is this one runs in a very quiet mood. I have tested with professional equipments and the sound level never goes above 27 decibel, so it's really great. And the second thing is this one comes with a very good warranty. The brand Morento, they offers a very good warranty and very good customer support. So I would prefer this one above other brands when it comes to home appliances. Well, that's all about Morento Air Purifier and Morento Humidifier. If you're interested in these products, I have left the links in the description box below. Go ahead, check the products, and if you need one, then definitely get one for yourself, because I won't hesitate to recommend these products to my regular viewers and subscribers. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh yeah, have you heard any noise? A Morento humidifier is running in the background without making any noise.